everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just thought I'd just show you a little product that I picked up from Makeup Revolution, and look at that. How beautiful is that? I'm pretty sure this was £3. It's called Make an Impact, and it's the new Revolution or revamped Revolution highlighter reloaded, it's called. It's so beautiful. It's like a rose gold. Look at that. Packaging's lovely. Look how thick that is. It's really lovely. You can see that. Make an impact. Look how lovely it is. If I can open it. It's beautiful. It's very shimmery, a rose gold, and let me just see if I can show you that, how pink, you see that? Where are we? How pink that is, and it looks very goldy on my hand, but it's absolutely beautiful. I thought you might like to see a really close-up view of it. There you go. Very nice. They keep bringing out lovely products, Makeup Revolution. So yeah, thought I'd just show you it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one, take care. Bye.